Hello students, welcome to SOURAV's classes. Today we'll be solving the ISI MSQMS question paper of year 2016. Today we'll be solving question number 27 and 28. So let's begin with question number 27. In question number 27, we have to find out the value of summation of 10Cj into JCi, where I goes from 0 to 10 and j goes from 1 to 10, and the options given over here are 2 to the power 10 minus 1, 2 to the power 10, 3 to the power 10 minus 1, or 3 to the power 10. Now we have to basically find out the value of this expression. We'll use a particular case over here to find out the value of this structure. Suppose there are two rooms. A and B, where we have to put 10 students. So total number of ways will be 3 to the power 10. This is one way of solving this. There can be another way of solving the same question. Suppose in the second method, first we have to choose the number of students to put in rooms. First we choose number of students to put in the rooms. In that case, that will be equal to 10Cj. And then we choose number of students to put, let me use the space below, to put in room A. That will be equal to JCI. Basically we can see that these two arguments are the same, that is summation of I goes from 0 to 10, summation of j goes from I to 10, 10Cj into JCi is equal to 3 to the power 10. So basically this is the option D, which is the correct option. Now let's move on to the next question. In the next question, which is question number 28, it is said that let A and B be two events such that P of A is 0.3 and P of A union B is 0.8. Now it is also been said that the event A and the event B are independent events. In that case, we have to find out the value of PB. The options given are 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7 and 5 by 7. It is already given. Now let us solve this question. It is given that P of A is equal to 0.3 and P of A union B is equal to 0.8. Also, A and B are independent events. So therefore, P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Now P of A is equal to 0.3 and PB we have to find out. So basically P of A intersection B is equal to 0.3 PB. Now P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So this gives us, we know that the value of P A union B is equal to P of A union B is equal to 0.8. P of A is equal to 0.3. P of B we have to find out, and P of A intersection B is equal to 0.3 PB. So this gives us that 0.5 is equal to 0.7 into PB. Therefore, P of B is equal to 0.5 by 0.7, that is equal to 5 by 7, which is the option D. So today we have solved question number 27 and 28 from the ISI MSQMS question paper of year 2016. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching SOURAV classes videos for more solutions. All the best for your upcoming exams, and thank you very much.